Bell is a technology company redefining flight.
It's interesting to see that Bell has been unshackled. We are a technology company, and that's the way people are seeing us.
And so we're wide open these days to any technology, any opportunity, any service model that will help humans become more mobile, more effective in the vertical dimension. And that's the way we look at the world today.
Commercial side of the business, our 407 has become extremely popular. We did achieve IFR certification of the 407. The 429 continues to sell really well, and then of course our 525. And we made a lot of progress towards testing this year to get moving towards certification. Again, setting us up to really finish up all that testing, get ourselves ready for full flight cert, and be able to start up our production line on the 525.
When you look at Bell today, not only have we changed the name, but we're fundamentally working at changing the culture that sits underneath that. And so not only are you seeing new products, new technologies, new markets, new opportunities, but also the inside the company feel is very much evolving this year. The real impact of our transformation into a technology company is that we look to our customers' problems with a different filter. So all these technologies aren't just being developed for an isolated use, they're a palette of technology. We put those customer problem sets through that technology filter and see how it all evolves at the end. It's a whole different approach to solving our customers' needs.
Bell has really tapped into what the future of flight is going to be, and it's a really exciting time to come work here and have a piece of what that future is going to look like. Not only working in a great environment with fantastic people, but we're doing it in a way that is making an impact on products for both the commercial side, saving lives, and on the military side.
It's exciting to see how people have grown, the amount of progress that we've made, the amount of learning that we've had, and the future just looks tremendously bright. It's just a tremendous time to be at Bell.
There's a tremendous awareness that Bell's not talking about it, Bell's doing it. That's been a huge change that everybody has set up and take notice. Bell is here, and they're different.